This is how you can change the colors on your Canva design. So for the background, you can click on the background and click right here, background color on the top, and it'll pull out a little panel on the left-hand side. And from there, you can change the color of the background. Maybe I want a light pink color for this time around. And for me to adjust it, I can click on the add new color since it's not the exact shade that I want. And I can slide around to the shade that I think looks good. Like this, for example. Say I want to change this green color. Maybe let's also change it to a pink. Something like that. Yeah, I think that looks great. And if you're not super happy with the colors of, say, the flowers, you can go ahead and click the one you want to edit. Click edit, and under filters, click see all. And this, it puts a filter on that one image just to show what it looks like in different formats. So let's go with fade, and it gives like a light peachy color instead. And say for the butterfly, I want to change the color as well. Under filter again, and let's go for, yeah, like an orange or like faded pink color. I have to admit, this isn't the best method, but it works. And if you are a little bit more advanced in terms of designing, there are other methods, but this I find is easiest for beginners. And there you have it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.